Okay guys, this is 2017 BMW M3 presented to you from Chapman Auto. This is over 400 horsepower. It is the competition package. It is a rebuilt title. Did have damage right through this front end. I'll show you, but big old blue brakes. Rear sunshades. Rear heated seats. Harman and Kardon Sound. Here's your VIN number. Really cool seats, seat belts. Start it up here for you. Oh, like 28,000 miles on it. Navigation, all your different driver profiles. Here's all your different controls for shift points, steering, suspension stiffeners. This does have a heads-up display. I put it into race mode. You see that tack show up in the heads-up display. M series. So this is current book on the car, over $55,000. This was the before picture of the damage. So that left front, like I said, had the damage. Go out there and check it out here again. Grab the motor flip. See, this is where the damage was, right through here. All the gaps and lines, paint matches, looks good. Also has this carbon fiber roof. Check out all my inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.